Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay Hall and today my partner and I, Kaylin Lewis, are going to walk you through our design for a knowledge management system for Thomas Cooper Library. Okay, let's go.
Thomas Cooper Library. Thomas Cooper is an academic library designed to fulfill the needs of the University of South Carolina system. This organization has developed a sizable collection of works to meet patrons' informational needs in a variety of formats. Currently, these resources are made available through the core academic library, Thomas Cooper, and the associated Special Collection Library, the Ernest F. Holling Special Collection Library. Within the system, Holling is divided into three departments: South Carolina Political Collection, short for SCPC, Rare Books, and Digital Collections. These departments are indeed responsible for acquiring, processing, and presenting resources such as political papers, manuscripts, and maps that contribute to the knowledge of students, faculty, and researchers connected within the institution.
Planning for our featured KM system for Thomas Cooper Library. A goal: constructing a KM system for Thomas Cooper Library, exploiting the existing KM system, which will entail document acquisition and management by respective departments, digitization by digital collection, administration by digital collection. This will generate an adjacent system for users and instructors, encourage exchange of knowledge, creation of a space where users can collaborate. Users will include researchers, students, and faculty. The development of our featured KM system. Our KMS is comprised of the TCL Collaborative Space, which includes discussion board forums that support frequently asked questions, documents and videos, lectures from professors, podcasts, blogs about the digitized content. Our design for Thomas Cooper Library. Documents made available by digital collection, collaborative space administered by digital collection. There, that decides what documents can be uploaded, posted, monitors discussion. Users create personalized accounts, which fosters a sense of community, and will allow administrators to track user activity. Users can post work as a means of publication and their introduction to peer review. Continuous help and interaction available to fellow users. Our framework and prototype. A discussion board or forum facilitates conversation which encourages interdisciplinary collaboration. With the resources made available at Thomas Cooper Library, this will establish a digital and physical collaborative space where patrons can see available informational resources. They can post their research papers and published work. And this system will display how users have used the library's information to create knowledge. Our goals. The collaborative space will lead to the sharing of knowledge and innovative ideas of the informational resources made available through the library, which will, 1, encourage more familiarity with digital resources, 2, create a space for individuals to share and publish their work, gather relevant, explicit information and tacit knowledge that will be organized to meet the identified needs. Goals. Enhance knowledge exchange using technology. Provide a platform that is easy to navigate and encourage knowledge sharing between users. Provide an outline space for users to encounter each other's work, which will then allow for individuals to communicate with one another and share and build knowledge sharing networks. Another goal, lastly, is to provide quick and ready access resources. Our objectives. A gateway to attain knowledge from one another coming from different perspectives. Allow for students to collaborate amongst one another. Allow for one to see how informational resources are being used. All in all, and we hope this would allow for researchers to build on each other's knowledge. Some potential problems that we do and may foresee for our featured CAM system include the uses of outside resources that users may and will need, like, for example, journals and books. They may require additional information from each other to find more use for certain materials. Students may benefit from guided instruction in the source provided by their instructors. And a system does rely upon significant input from users, which active promotion of system tools will be required. Here are some suggestions to resolve potential problems. We would like to have ebooks accessible for the students on related informational resources. Allow for the system's administrator to allow professors to send in additional information for students made accessible digitally. Provide help sessions that students can view while their professor is doing the live session. Ask questions, comments, and concerns then during the live session. Or the students can view recorded live help sessions and email their professors at a later date.
The KM system created with the resources at Thomas Cooper could establish a digital and physical space where patrons can see all the informational resources that are available at Thomas Cooper Library. In addition to this, they could post their research papers or other means of processing the information, and through this system it would display how users have used the library's information to create knowledge. Users could then see how others have accessed certain documents and ways that those documents are being utilized. In all, and what we do hope, this would allow for 1. Inspiration, 2. Seeing how most sources are being used, 3. Collaboration amongst the different disciplines, 4. Novice researchers to promote their initial works, and 5. The university to demonstrate the active research environment it has facilitated.
So as you can see through our presentation, our system is focusing on the digital tools that are increasingly available to students and researchers and faculty members. So our collaborative space is intended to allow people to interact with these tools more and to not use them not as just information, but as ways to build knowledge so that they can connect with each other and also find a new way to connect with the material. And we hope that this will be the source of an enhanced digital experience for all of our viewers, all of our users.